Hello everybody, Mr. Lego Lover 55 here, and welcome to another Lego set review. Today we're taking a look at, hang on, I just gotta pull it up on my computer here. Today we're taking a look at set 8503, Scuba, or Sub, or whatever, from the Lego Slicers, or Throwbots line, depending on if you're in America, or Europe, or something. Why are the names different? Probably because of a controversy or something, who knows? Not me. But anyways, I just, recently ordered a lot of stuff from Bricklink, and, this was one of the things I ordered, so I thought I would pick it up, and it would be my first Throwbots or Slicers set. I'm just gonna say Throwbots, all right? That's just easier. So yeah, and also if you didn't know, I'm gonna be going to college, so this may be the last time I actually get to review a set, at least here in this area, in this house, I guess. I mean, maybe I'll get Lego sets when I'm in college. I don't know if I'll have the time to or not to review them, but who knows? I mean, I really want that 501st Battle Pack. But anyways, let's stop stalling and actually, open this thing up. So not gonna lie, I have already opened this thing up when I was, opening up my Bricklink haul. I did have to open this up to get some of the pieces out, but did I break? No, I couldn't have broke it, no. Yeah, you see, yeah, that's how it is, Throwbots canisters, But yeah, I guess that just opens up like that. But I took the Bricklink pieces out, and so now there's just the actual set pieces, I guess. I got this for like $6, which apparently, according to Brickset, that's like retail price, at least when it released. So yeah, I think I got a pretty good deal. Considering this is a used set, of course, it's not brand new, but still. I'm pretty sure you can actually put this on your belt. Yeah, there's like a little belt loop type thing that you can like slide it on your belt to be cool, to pick up all the girls and all that. I mean, hey, this we're talking about 1999 here, all right? So come on. That's not to say it might not work in 2020. Now I gotta be wearing a belt every time I'm on college campus so I can wear this. Jeez, look at these instructions. They're so old. What? There we go. What? This set includes extra pieces? That's so nice for Bricklink seller. Okay, so I've finished building this set, and he is certainly a sight to behold. To be honest, I don't even know where to start with this thing. I mean, I guess we can start with the functions. Yeah, so he's got a gear function, but not the typical gear function that you would expect from like a Bionicle set. So you spin that, this will probably fall out. You keep spinning it. You keep is that all it can spin? I think that's all it can, okay. And you have this, and then you can spin it back. So exciting. This is truly the peak of Lego play functions. The other function is more so a game that you can sort of see in the instruction manual. It goes sort of like this. Basically, you throw the disc into the canister, and yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna try and do that here. So we're gonna open up the canister here like this, and yeah, so basically we're just gonna, take a disc and throw it. And basically what you do is you hold that there, and then you put that back, and then release, and hope it goes in the direction you want. That is on the complete opposite side of the room. Okay, so it looks like we're going to do it a little farther. Oh, come on, that went in. Bruh, this is a scam. Hey, we did it. I don't know how many tries that took, but it was probably one. Yeah, it was probably one. Hang on, I gotta get the other distance on the other side of the room. And now for the other disc. What'd I tell you? First try. Easy. I can't believe anyone could possibly struggle with this. It's so easy. And then I guess I might as well show what else you can do with the canister. So you can actually store the discs in here like that. So that's pretty neat, you know? You got some disc storage. I can actually probably put some Bionicle discs in there. In fact, I should also mention that these Throwbot discs are pretty much the same molds as discs that would be used later in Bionicle's line. So they're exactly the same mold, I assume. So you can also put Bionicle discs in this canister as well. So pretty neat. Okay, so now we're going to attempt to fold this guy up and put him in the canister, like it says in the instructions. Okay, so basically, first just start off by putting his arm like that, and then his other arm like that, like he wants to give you a freaking hug. Give me a hug. Okay, and then I think next we're gonna spin him like that, or just have him go like that or whatever. And then we're gonna spread his legs out, and then we're gonna have his legs go in like that and put them together, put his feet together like that, kinda like a Rockshi or something. Gonna have his hand go inwards. We're gonna put these discs back in here, and then we're gonna place Scuba in there. Close up the canister, and then go wear a belt so I can wear this on. And those are practically all of the play features. So yeah, so now I'm going to attempt to unfold Scuba, or I'm just gonna say Scuba. This dude is Scuba. I'm gonna attempt to unfold Scuba here, and yeah, maybe get him in some poses, or at least attempt to. This guy doesn't have very many poses, I suppose. Haha, see what I did there? Haha, that was totally intentional. So, yeah, that's a pose or something, and you can put the disc, the disc right here. Yeah, cool. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what else to say about this guy. I mean, I have to say this piece, this sort of tube piece is really cool and interesting. It's just sort of flexy and just rubbery, and it's just something I haven't really seen before. A lot of these pieces I actually really haven't seen before, like this head piece, this faceplate piece, or, well, I mean, I've seen them before. I haven't, like, seen them in person, though, is, I guess, a better way to put it. Also, this body piece is interesting. It's like two halves. It's like the same piece, but they just used it in a weird way, you know? Kind of neat. But, yeah, I'm kind of running out of things to say about this guy, so we're gonna I think cut it off here. Jump to the end or something. Okay, so this is overall a set I never really planned on getting. This was just kind of an impulse thing when I was making Bricklink orders, and to also sort of get the price up so the shipping actually felt like it was worth it. However, I've always sort of wanted to get at least one Slicer set at some point, and I can finally say that I now have a Slicer set. I guess I should also mention that this is now technically the oldest Lego set I currently own. Previously, the oldest set I owned was Pohatu Mata, but now it's this dude. This dude from 1999. Yeah, 1999. But yeah, I don't really know what to say. He's a neat little thing. I got him for $6. You can probably get him for cheaper, maybe, or maybe a little more if you got it new or something. I'm pretty sure there were some, I don't know, according to Brickset, there's probably some little catalog things missing, some other little promotional material other than like the instructions, but it doesn't matter. I'm happy with what I got here. I mean, heck, the Bricklink seller even threw in extra pieces, so that's cool. As for if I would recommend this set or not, honestly, I have no idea. I really don't. I mean, I'd say if it's like available for, a cheap price, like, $6 I'd say is like pretty cheap. Brickset says that currently the cheapest that you can get used is like $5. I don't know about that. So I don't know. I mean, I'm assuming these lasers aren't as popular as, you know, old Bionicle sets. So I mean, I guess it makes sense that these guys are cheaper. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm pretty much gonna be rambling at this point, so I might as well just stop here. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this review. Shoot, how do I end this? This is gonna be like the last review here. I need to end this in sort of the regular old way. But anyways, that's about all I have to say about this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and keep building. I don't know why I always keep forgetting that part.